I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming iCloud contacts is active, so deletions sync across devices. Next, export a VCF or run a device backup. This prevents accidental permanent loss. Once done, choose your scope: a single contact, several selected entries, or wiping the entire list, because each path uses a different interface and steps. Make sure to sign into the same Apple ID on the device or iCloud. Calm before proceeding. This avoids deleting contacts from a different account and wasting time. You should use iCloud. Calm for precise control. After signing in with your Apple ID and completing two-factor authentication, open Contacts. Then select Single Items or hold Shift/CMD/Control to multi-select entries. This is faster than deleting one by one. Press Delete and confirm the permanent removal from iCloud. This action removes them from all devices syncing to that account. Also check Contacts lower left gear for linked accounts. Remove or disable To finalize, force sync across devices by toggling contacts off and on in iCloud settings. Wait a few minutes and verify deletions. If contacts reappear, inspect other accounts like Gmail, Exchange, or the SIM card. They can re-import entries, so remove or disable them. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud and back in, clear local caches, or reboot devices to resolve stuck syncs. If none of that works, contact Apple support. Explain steps taken and provide screenshots so they can trace account sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.